Luxury SUVs give you more comfort, better materials, the latest tech, and stronger performance than regular SUVs. But they usually cost a lot more, so finding a good lease deal can save you big money. Leasing is a smart choice if you want to avoid repair costs or like driving a new car every few years. In this video, we'll show you the best luxury SUV lease deals available now. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more car deals and tips. Number 1. 2025 Lexus RX. After a full redesign last year, the 2025 Lexus RX remains a top choice among mid-size luxury SUVs. It blends comfort, cutting-edge tech, and great fuel efficiency into one luxurious package that makes every drive relaxing and enjoyable. The RX comes equipped with 9.8-inch touchscreen, multi-zone climate control, blind spot information system, 19-inch alloy wheels, and 275 horsepower engine. Leasing an RX could be a smart option considering Lexus' various lease deals and packages. On average, you'd pay around $668 per month with $2,000 due up front for a 3-year lease allowing 12,000 miles annually. For 2-year or 4-year RX leases at that mileage cap, the averages are $764 and $707 monthly. Number 3. 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser. The iconic Toyota Land Cruiser is back, and it's better than ever. This new model is slightly smaller, but packs a powerful punch with its retro-inspired boxy design. This SUV still conquers trails, like a champ loaded with features like leather trim seats, 12.3-inch touchscreen, Toyota Safety Sense 3, and 326 horsepower engine. The Land Cruiser offers both luxury and safety. Land Cruiser leases start at about $717 per month for 36 months, with $2,000 due at signing based on 12,000 annual miles. Opt for a 24-month term at $800 per month, or a 48-month term for $782 monthly. Number 4. 2025 Lexus TX. Brand new for 2025, the Lexus TX is a 3-row luxury SUV that seamlessly blends upscale features, modern tech amenities, and family practicality, perfect even for the most discerning families. The TX comes equipped with a 14-inch touchscreen, multi-zone climate control, advanced remote park, 20-inch alloy wheels, and a 255 horsepower engine. Leasing this new Lexus could be a smart choice through its various lease offers and packages. On average, you'd pay around $791 per month with $2,000 due at signing for a 3-year lease, allowing 12,000 miles annually. For 2-year and 4-year TX leases with the same mileage cap, the averages are $897 and $771 per month respectively. Number 5. 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLC. The 2025 GLC delivers the luxury cutting-edge tech, top safety features, and prestigious prestige badge you'd expect from the brand all in a compact SUV package. This GLC comes with 12.3-inch touchscreen, automatic parking assist, hands-free power liftgate, 19-inch alloy wheels, and 255 horsepower engine. Leasing one could make sense through Mercedes' various lease offers. On average, you'd pay around $783 monthly, with $2,000 due up front, for a 3-year GLC lease, allowing 12,000 miles per year. For 2-year or 4-year leases at that annual mileage, the averages are $932 and $733 per month. Number 6. 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE. The 2025 GLE lives up to its premium reputation and premium price tag with a posh, spacious cabin, cutting-edge tech features, refined driving manners, and strong performance. This mid-size luxury SUV comes equipped with 12.3-inch touchscreen, 4-zone climate control, 19-inch alloy wheels, and 255 horsepower engine. Leasing a GLE could make sense through Mercedes' various lease offers and packages. On average, you'd pay around $1,084 per month, with $2,000 due at signing for a 3-year lease, allowing 12,000 miles annually. Choose a 24-month term at $1,291 per month or a 48-month term for $974 monthly. Number 7. 2025 BMW X3. The 2025 BMW X3 enters its fourth generation, showcasing a fresh design, enhanced engines, and an array of new features. The X3 comes loaded with 14.9-inch touchscreen, blind spot detection, 19-inch alloy wheels, and 255 horsepower engine. You'd pay around $768 per month on average, with $2,000 upfront for a 3-year lease, capped at 12,000 miles annually. For a 2-year X3 lease at that mileage limit, the average monthly payment is $999. Number 8. 2025 Acura RDX. Spacious, quick, and well-equipped, the 2025 RDX presents a really fun-to-drive luxury SUV option for those looking to get maximum value in a 5-passenger vehicle. The RDX comes loaded with 10.2-inch touchscreen, panoramic moonroof, blind spot monitor, 19-inch sport alloy wheels, and 272 horsepower engine. Leasing one could make sense through Acura's lease deals and packages. On average, you'd pay around $599 per month with $2,000 due upfront for a 3-year RDX lease, allowing 12,000 miles annually. For 2-year or 4-year leases at that mileage cap, the averages are $718 and $554 monthly. Number 9. 2025 Audi Q5. The Audi Q5 is a compact luxury SUV, offering an appealing blend of stylish exterior design, convenient size, and fun driving dynamics. The Q5 comes with a 10.1-inch touchscreen, adaptive cruise control, advanced park assist, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a 201 horsepower engine. Leasing one could be an option through Audi's lease deals and packages. You'd pay around $714 per month on average, with $2,000 upfront for a 3-year Q5 lease capped at 12,000 miles per year. For 2-year or 4-year leases at that mileage cap, the averages are $891 and $648 monthly. Number 10. 2025 Genesis GV80. The Genesis GV80 has rocketed to the highest ranks of the fiercely competitive mid-sized luxury SUV class. With its winning combination of bold styling, plushy interior, and turbocharged performance, this GV80 comes loaded with a 27-inch OLED multimedia screen, remote smart parking assist, 19-inch alloy wheels, and 300 horsepower engine. Leasing one could be an option through Genesis' various lease deals and packages. On average, you'd pay around $715 per month, with $2,000 due upfront for a 3-year GV80 lease, allowing 12,000 miles per year. For 2-year or 4-year leases at that annual mileage cap, the averages are $756 and $715 monthly. Number 11. 2025 Cadillac Escalade. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade is the ultimate luxury SUV, making a bold statement with its massive size and eye-catching design. Key features include a 55-inch diagonal curved OLED display, third-row seats, tri-zone automatic climate control, front and rear park assist, 22-inch alloy wheels, and a 420 horsepower V8 engine. Leasing the Escalade is a great option, with payments starting at $1,651 per month for a 36-month lease, $2,000 due at signing, and a 12,000-mile yearly limit. For shorter 24-month leases, payments average $1,966 monthly, while 48-month leases drop to $1,541 per month. It's the perfect choice for those who want to ride in style. Number 12. 2025 BMW X1. The X1 is a class-favorite premium subcompact SUV that combines a compelling driving experience and strong performance, with sharp styling and a surprisingly spacious interior. Key features include 10.7-inch touchscreen, supportive seats, automatic parking assistant, 19-inch sport alloy wheels, and 313 horsepower engine. Leasing the X1 is an option through BMW's flexible lease deals. On a typical 3-year lease, you'd pay around $650 per month, with $2,000 down based on 12,000 miles annually. For a 2-year term, the average payment is $848 monthly. Number 12. 2026 BMW X5. The 2025 BMW X5 offers a luxurious interior and a smooth, powerful ride. It masterfully combines sporty performance and premium intelligent features in equal measure, making it one of the most desirable choices out there. The X5 comes equipped with 14.9-inch touchscreen, hands-free driving, 20-inch alloy wheels, and 375 horsepower V6 engine. Leasing this star pupil could be an option through BMW various lease offers. On average, you'd pay around $1,170 per month with $2,000 due up front for a 3-year X5 lease, limiting you to 12,000 miles annually. For a 2-year lease at that mileage, the average is $1,529 monthly. Number 13. 2025 Audi Q3. The 2025 Audi Q3 is a stunning compact luxury SUV, blending sleek style with thrilling performance. It features a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine, standard quattro all-wheel drive, a luxurious interior with split-folding rear seats, a 12.3-inch digital gauge display, and advanced safety systems. Lease deals for the 2025 Audi Q3 start at $570 per month for a 36-month term, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile annual limit. For a 24-month lease, payments average around $669 per month, while 48-month leases are approximately $539 per month. Number 20. 2025 Acura ADX. Sporty, stylish, and well-built, the all-new 2025 Acura ADX brings turbocharged performance and premium quality to the compact luxury SUV market. The 2025 ADX offers great features like a sharp 11.5-inch digital display, front-wheel or available all-wheel drive, a 190-horsepower turbo engine, and a sleek, modern design that blends comfort with sporty style. The ADX lease starts at $505 per month for a 36-month term, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile annual limit. For a 24-month lease, payments average $601 monthly, while 48-month leases drop to about $467 per month. Number 14. 2025 Volvo XC90. The 2025 XC90 is a stylish and modern SUV that combines luxury, safety, and advanced technology. It comes standard with all-wheel drive, seat 7, and includes features such as an 11.2-inch touchscreen display, panoramic sunroof, multi-zone climate control, 20-inch alloy wheels, and a 295-horsepower mild hybrid engine. Lease deals for the XC90 start at $738 per month for a 36-month term, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile annual limit. For a 24-month lease, payments average around $826 per month. Number 8. 2025 Genesis GV70. The 2025 GV70 boasts refinement, comfort, and a wealth of features. It delivers a smooth ride, powerful performance, and exceptional value for its price. The GV70 comes loaded with 14.5-inch touchscreen, remote smart parking assist, blind spot monitor, 19-inch sport alloy wheels, and 300-horsepower engine. Leasing this luxurious Genesis could be an option through their various lease offers. On average, you'd pay around $632 per month, with $2,000 due at signing for a 3-year GV70 lease, allowing 12,000 miles yearly. For a 2-year term, it's $692 monthly, and for 4 years, it averages $636 per month. Number 15. 2025 Lexus UX. The Lexus UX is a small but well-appointed luxury crossover SUV that feels upscale rides comfortably and delivers exceptional fuel economy. This subcompact comes with 12.3-inch touchscreen, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, 18-inch sport alloy wheels, and 196-horsepower engine. Leasing the efficient UX could make sense through Lexus's lease offers and packages. You'd pay around $482 per month on average, with $2,000 due at signing for a 3-year lease, allowing 12,000 miles yearly. For 2-year or 4-year UX leases at that annual mileage, the averages are $585 and $565 monthly. Number 17. 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLA. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLA is a compact luxury SUV that's perfect for city driving. It's stylish, polished, and packed with premium features, making it an excellent entry-level Benz. Key features include automatic parking, a power liftgate, 10.3-inch touchscreen, remote engine start, 18-inch alloy wheels, and 221 horsepower engine. Leasing the GLA starts at $741 per month for a 36-month term, $2,000 due at signing, and a 12,000-mile yearly limit. For a 24-month lease, payments average $975 monthly, while 48-month leases drop to $681 per month.